Go Carpet Cleaning in Brookhaven, Georgia. Go Carpet Cleaning concentrates on office and residential carpet cleaning, utilizing just natural, environmentally friendly solutions that are 100% safe for your whole family and beloved pets. Our team is dedicated to offering attention to detail that will leave your carpets looking and smelling clean and new. Contact us today for a totally free quote. For carpet cleaning in Brookhaven, contact Go Carpet Cleaning. Today there are lots of happy customers across all areas who rely greatly upon our skilled specialists, because nothing gets easier than having a specialist clean. Imagine a place where you can feel the warmth, see natural light, and breathe easily. We offer carpet cleaning that will bring your office or home back to life, and we'll offer pleasant service with a smile. The very best part, we work hard, and we utilize efficient steam cleaning tools such that we reach deep into the fibers of your carpet and into every nook and cranny, so we can supply a full, extensive carpet cleaning service. We do more than carpet cleaning. Take a look at our additional services. Cleaning traffic patterns, upholstery cleaning, duct cleaning, rug cleaning, pet stains and odors cleaning, commercial services. There's absolutely nothing like walking barefoot on clean, fresh-smelling carpeting, and we can help you get there. Our professional team will provide your carpets with the deep cleansing they ought to have. Contact us today to set up a visit or find out more about our services in Brookhaven and the surrounding areas. Visit us at gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.